Hello viewer, my name is Daniel, welcome to my channel. As promised, in my previous video, I'm going to talk to you about how to make money on the internet for free thanks to our superb search engine without investment. Above all, don't quit, stay glued for the rest. We all love Google. But the reason we recommend you to use our search engine for free is an online search engine is an application that allows a user to search locally and online. That you'll get paid 20 cents for every click you get from the public. It's not about convincing people to buy a product or for you to sell a product. It's not also about you taking your money and investing it. It is only a question of convincing your entourage to use our search engine because it will pay you $0.20 per click. So, what is a search engine? What does an online search engine help us? A search engine helps us to find websites, web pages, articles, Usenet, forums, images, videos, applications, software, music, etc. How this search engine could potentially help you to make money. Just sign up for our affiliate program first and get your affiliate link. By this link, recommend your entourage to use our search engine. For each click you will get, you will be paid 20 cents. 1 click equals 20 cents, 10 clicks equals $2. Imagine having obtained 70,000 clicks, you will be paid $14,000. Thus I invite you to discover our superb search engine by clicking on the link that I have specially placed for you at the end of the description of this video, and I give you an appointment for my next video where I'll show you how to register for the affiliate program from our superb search engine. Did you like the video? Don't forget to click on like and also on the bell to subscribe, and you will be notified of all our new publications.